Hello children, welcome to one more session of science with me. Children, today we are continuing the chapter parts of a plant. So children, till now in a previous video we have learned about the plant that has a two main parts, okay? One was the root and the second was a shoot, okay? And we have also learned the two main roots. One was the taproot and the second was the fibrous root, right? And we have learned function of roots and function of stems. So children, in this video we are going to learn about the functions of leaves. Okay, first you should know about something about a leaf. See children, the leaf is the most important part of the shoot. Okay, leaf is the most important part of the shoot. Look at the diagram. Okay, the labeling where I have done. See the first one, that is a leaf apex. So what is it, this leaf apex? See children, the tip of the pointed leaf, tip means the pointed one. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. Okay, and the leaf blade, the flat surface. Okay, the flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. The flat, or you can say the flat green part of the leaf that traps sunlight during photosynthesis is called leaf blade. Okay. Now the second, see children, the main vein. See one line is running in between the leaf. Okay. So running through the middle of the leaf is a thin tube. Okay. This is called the main vein. Okay. Now children, see there are other smaller tubes that run from the main vein and they are called the side veins. They are parallel to each other. They are running. Okay. So these are called the side veins and they carry water to all parts of a leaf. Okay. See children, when you observe a leaf, see the upper and the lower side of the leaf blade. When we are talking about the leaf blade, okay, the flat part, just now I told you the flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. See children, you know the upper and the lower side of the leaf blade are slightly different in color, right? While the upper side is smooth and dark and the lower side is rough and light in color. Okay. Now the last one, that is the leaf stalk. Okay, see the part of the leaf that attaches the leaf to the stem is called the leaf stalk. And one more very important thing is that, see children, stomata. Okay, see plants also breathe, so they breathe through the stomata. So the lower side of the leaf, they have many tiny pores. Okay, that is called the stomata, and air enters the leaf through the stomata, right? See, this is the parts of a leaf. So today we have learned about the function, what is the parts, different parts of a leaf. Okay, like the leaf apex, leaf blade, main vein, side veins and leaf stalk, right? Now children, the functions of a leaf. Children, you all know very well who makes food for the plant. Leaves. Okay, leaves make food for the plant. So the leaves are called the food factory of a plant, right? Because they prepare food for the whole plant, right? The leaves have a green colored substance that's called chlorophyll. Okay, one green color substance is present in the leaf called chlorophyll. Okay, and this chlorophyll, they help them to prepare food. Leaves, and these leaves prepare food with the help of water and a gas, that gas called carbon dioxide, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, right? And they get water from the soil and carbon dioxide from air. Where they get water from the soil and they get carbon dioxide from the air. So this is called photosynthesis. Okay, this process is called photosynthesis, right? So children, while making food, these leaves give out oxygen. Okay, so all living things including plants breathe in oxygen to stay alive. Stomata on the leaf help the plants to breathe, right? So children, leaves of certain plants like cabbage and spinach, what they do, they store food and we eat these as vegetables, right? So these are the functions of the leaf. Why? Because leaves make food for the plant. Therefore, they are known as the kitchen of the plant, or we can say it's also known as the food factory of a plant, because they prepare food for the whole plant, right? Okay children, now the flowers, fruits and seeds. Okay, so children, when we're talking about the flowers, see, flowers grow from small buds on the stem. Okay, and flowers are of different colors, shapes and size. Okay, so children, most flowers are brightly colored. Have you seen the flowers? They are very bright in color. Okay, so most flowers are brightly colored and have a sweet smell, right? Some flowers have a pleasant smell, and children, you know, most flower changes into fruits, right? So most fruits have one or more seeds inside them. Okay, and these seeds grow into a new plant, right? So flowers are important to a plant as they help it to reproduce. Okay, so examples of the flower like the cauliflower and the broccoli are the examples of the flower that we eat. Okay, as a we are eating these flowers as a vegetables. Okay, now coming to the fruits. Okay, so children, when we are talking about a single seed, fruits such as mango, lychee and plum, they have a single seed inside them. Okay, and fruits such as apple, orange and lemon, they have a few seeds inside them, you all know. And when we're talking about the many seeds, okay, fruits like pomegranate, papaya and watermelon, they have a lots of seeds. Okay, they have a many seeds, and we eat the fruits of many plants, right? Now seeds. So children, when we're talking about the seeds, first of all, seeds are of different shapes, size and color. So we eat seeds of plants. Now first, these seeds, children, are divided in two parts. One is the edible seeds and the second one is the non-edible. Okay, the edible means the seed that we can eat, that are called the edible seed. Okay, the seed that we can eat are called edible seed. Examples of the edible means the seed which we are eating. Okay, examples are wheat, rice, corn, etc. And non-edible seed, the seeds that we do not eat, they are called non-edible seed. Like the seeds of apple, do you eat? No, we are not eating the seeds of apple, mango, orange. Okay, so seeds are two types. One is the edible seed, the seed which we eat, that is called the edible seed, and the second one is the non-edible seed, the seed that we do not eat are called non-edible seed, right? So children, now what is a germination? Okay, see, the process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination, right? See children, a seed contains a baby plant inside it. When a seed is sown in the soil and it gets water, air and sunlight, when these three things seeds will get, what will happen? It will start germinating and it grows into a new plant. So children, the process of development of a new plant from a seed is called germination. Okay, when the seed gets the right amount of air, water and warmth, what will happen? It grows into a baby plant. So this process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. So children, for germination, the new plant needs air, water and light, okay, for growing. Okay, now children, if a seed does not receive any one of the three, it will never germinate. So these things are necessary for the germination of the seed: air, water and light, right? Then only the seed will germinate. See the seed, in the first, look at the diagram, these are the different stages of the germination. Okay, when the seed gets air, water and warmth, what will happen? The seed soaks up water. Okay, it will soak up water को सोख लेता. Okay, soaks up water and the seed coat breaks and the root emerges, right? And the new plant develops the root and shoot. Okay, as the plant grows in size, what will happen? It develops the leaves. Okay, now in this way it has divided, the plant is divided in two parts, the shoot and the root, right? Okay, so what is germination? The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. Okay, so children, in this chapter we have learned about the plant has two parts, root and shoot. Two main root we have learned, taproot and the fibrous root, and we have learned functions of the root, stems, leaves. Okay, and one more thing we have learned about the different stages of the germination. Okay children, thank you and bye bye to everyone.